Hi guys, welcome to the Alpha Crypto channel. So in this video I'll be showing you guys the best crypto trading apps that you can use on your mobile device. Now the truth is there are thousands of crypto exchange platform. There are a lot of crypto exchange apps. Some of them are not very efficient, some of them are very okay, but then in this video I'll be talking about the best crypto trading apps that you can use. And these apps are apps that I've done a lot of research on. I have used some, I've not used all of them, but I've used some. I've done a review on them, I've written about them on my website, so I have in-depth information about this app. Their charges are affordable, they have good liquidity, support a lot of token pairs and stuff like that. Another thing again about this particular app is that these apps I'm going to be listing here, if you are a Nigerian, I think the last app will be very important for you, right? So I'll be giving it in a descending order, like from the least important to the most important. So I'll be talking about the 5 best crypto trading apps. All you need to do is for you to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, watch this video to the end so that you will not miss out on interesting content. And I'll be showing you how you can get this app on Google Play Store. Some of these apps are also on your iPhone, iOS. So these apps are actually not wallets, they are crypto centralized exchange apps. On these apps you can trade spot, you can trade futures, but on your crypto wallet most of the time your decentralized wallet, you can only store your cryptocurrency. For example, your Trust wallet, your MetaMask wallet, and other wallets like that. I'm going to do another video talking about the crypto wallet, but for this video let's look at the top 5 crypto trading apps out there, right? And you can actually check their official websites too. If you want to download and maybe you can't get them on Play Store, you can check their official website. So the first app I'll be recommending to you guys, this app is good, is a decent trading app, is Bybit app. So you can check, like maybe you can Google www.bybit.com, right? You can check www.bybit.com, and if you want to download this app on Play Store, all you need to do is to come to Google Play Store, right, and search for Bybit. Bybit. This is a crypto trading exchange app. You can see all you need to do is to install it. This is 60 MB. The app is basically used for crypto trading. And let's look at the US. Give me a second, guys. There's a video here, right? So basically this app is used for trading. You can see the interface is similar to the kind of one to adopt the Binance style. Look at the cryptocurrency pairs, look at the exchange platform. I said you can even have access to metaverse coins and more derivatives when you are trading, right? You can spot trade, you can trade on futures where you borrow money, and you can actually put price alert for yourself so that if you want to get a token once it's in a particular price, you get notified, right? Bybit app is a decent app for crypto trading with good and decent amount of charges, right? Now the second app I'll tell you to actually consider in this situation is you need to look at KuCoin trading app. KuCoin, right? Look at it. KuCoin, you can use it to buy crypto and trade. This is the KuCoin app. KuCoin is used for trading cryptocurrencies, and it is important app for people that want to trade and probably you're having difficulty creating an account on Binance. You can actually go ahead to use KuCoin. They have over 5 million downloads and the rating is 4.2 star rating, right? They have over 700 plus crypto assets, and you can actually set the language, right? The app is good for trading. You can use it to trade spot, you can use it to trade futures. You can actually use a trading bot, like a trading robot that will be trading for you. You can use it for cross margin and stuff like that. Look at it: spot trading, futures ready trading, smart rebalance. So KuCoin app is the second one I can recommend to you. You can actually fund it using USDT or using your card to fund it, but for Nigerians I would not advise you to use this app. After KuCoin, the next app I'll be recommending for you to consider is Kraken. Now there are 2 Kraken apps, right? If you want to search for Kraken on Google Play Store, you just search for Kraken. Kraken. Now there's the Kraken and there's the Kraken Pro. If you want to be trading, like if you want to not the normal Kraken app, you can just go and download the normal Kraken app. Here you can use this to invest your cryptocurrencies and do basic stuff. But if you're a trader, I advise you to go for the Kraken Pro. That's the crypto trading app, right? Kraken Pro is particularly for professional traders. For advanced crypto trading, you can fund, you have different charting tools for you to do your technical analysis, to check your support and resistance zone. You can use it to trade futures, trade sports. You can place your orders, advanced orders, multiple charting options. You can look at various time frames. You can do a lot of stuff with the Kraken Pro. This particular Kraken Pro app is designed particularly for traders, and it is basically a decent app for traders. The rating is 3.8, which is not like best out there, but when it comes to crypto trading, a lot of people consider Kraken trading app. Now, the next one which will make us the next one is a very very important app too. Before we go to the most important one, like according to this rating, this will be taking the number 2 position, is Coinbase. Just like Kraken, there's the Coinbase and there's the Coinbase Pro, right? The Coinbase Pro is the Coinbase trading app. This is the Coinbase trading app. For a professional trader, you can download the Coinbase Pro to trade, right? It is similar to Kraken. It has futures. You can trade different cryptocurrencies, advanced market order, maximum crypto security. You have charts to use for your technical analysis and stuff like that. Although from what I can see here, the rating is not very impressive. However, Coinbase is actually the second, arguably the second biggest crypto exchange platform in the world, centralized exchange platform in the world after Binance. So Coinbase Pro is actually good. Like, you have adequate liquidity for you to trade on the Coinbase Pro app. Then taking the number one position when it comes to crypto trading apps that I'll particularly recommend for Nigerians, because a lot of people watching my platform, watching my videos, will be from Nigeria, since I'm a Nigerian, right? Is Binance app. Binance is the biggest crypto centralized exchange platform in the world. And on the Binance app, I have the Binance app. This is what I use to trade cryptocurrency. On the Binance app, you can do a lot of stuff. You can trade, you can stake, you can do NFTs, you can do so many stuff. Now, the reason I recommend Binance for Nigerians strongly is because with Binance, right, you can actually buy cryptocurrencies in such a way that the government cannot trace you, right? If you want to buy cryptocurrency on Binance app, you can buy it using the P2P, the peer-to-peer method, where you can buy from somebody on the platform that will just send the cryptocurrency directly to your wallet, while you credit the person account without even writing anything. Like, the reason why you are crediting the account is for cryptocurrencies. It is more like it's not traceable, and it will save you from passing through government or the bank problem. And this is because cryptocurrency is not it is currently not accepted in Nigeria. The government is against cryptocurrency, and so it is not legal in Nigeria. However, with the Binance platform, you can actually buy cryptocurrency and save yourself from losing your bank account or using your ATM to buy crypto. One, and number two, the charges of Binance exchange platform is the cheapest among other crypto trading platforms. For every trade you make, Binance charges are very very cheap. And Binance support a lot of crypto peers, and you have a lot of good and decent charting tools you can use to do your technical analysis. I currently trade with the Binance Exchange platform. Maybe in another video I'm going to take my time to review Binance Exchange. You can download Binance Exchange on Google Play Store or your Apple Store, for those of you using the iOS device. This is how I'm going to end this video. If you find this video very interesting, please make sure you like this video, hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on. And if there is any app you're expecting me to talk about I did not talk about, kindly leave that in the comment section. I'll go on to check the app and probably do another video sometime in the future. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video where I give you another interesting content.